The role of vegetation in slope stability. Welcome back to Blueprint to Reality, the channel where we break down the science, engineering, and design principles that shape the world around us. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on our engineering insights. 1. Introduction. Slopes are everywhere: mountains, road embankments, riverbanks, and even urban cuttings. But slopes are not always stable. Landslides and soil erosion can cause damage to property, infrastructure, and even lives. One natural and effective factor that influences slope stability is vegetation. In this video, we'll explore how plants, trees, and grasses help prevent slope failure, the science behind their role and their limitations. 2. The basics of slope stability. A slope becomes unstable when the driving forces like gravity, water pressure, and external loads exceed the resisting forces like soil strength and cohesion. Factors affecting slope stability include soil type, water content, angle of the slope, external disturbances like earthquakes or human activities. Vegetation directly affects soil strength, water content, and erosion processes, making it an important natural stabilizer. 3. How vegetation helps stabilize slopes. A. Mechanical reinforcement by roots. Plant roots act like a natural mesh within the soil. They bind soil particles together, increasing cohesion. Deep roots, such as those of trees, anchor soil layers and prevent sliding. Fine fibrous roots, such as those from grasses, protect surface soils from shallow slides and erosion. Research shows that root reinforcement can increase soil shear strength by up to 50 to 100% in some cases. B. Hydrological effects. One of the main triggers of landslides is water infiltration. Vegetation helps in two ways. 1. Interception. Leaves and stems intercept rainfall, reducing the direct impact of raindrops on the soil surface. 2. Evapotranspiration. Plants draw water from the soil and release it back into the atmosphere, lowering pore water pressure. This prevents soil from becoming saturated and reduces the risk of slope failure. C. Surface protection against erosion. Bare soil is easily eroded by rainfall and surface runoff. Vegetation acts as a protective cover, reducing surface erosion. Grass cover on slopes along highways or embankments is commonly used to prevent soil washouts. Without vegetation, slopes experience gully erosion, rill erosion, and eventually larger failures. D. Root anchoring and buttressing. Large trees provide mechanical anchoring to deeper soil layers. Some root systems act like natural piles, resisting downward soil movement. Tree trunks and shrubs can also act as barriers, physically slowing down shallow soil slips. 4. Case studies and examples. Highway slopes. Engineers often plant grass or shrubs along road embankments to prevent rain-induced failures. Riverbanks. Vegetation reduces erosion caused by flowing water, protecting river slopes from collapse. Deforested areas. Landslides are more frequent in areas where forests have been cleared, proving the stabilizing role of vegetation. 5. Limitations of vegetation in slope stability. Vegetation is not a universal solution. Some challenges include shallow rooting plants may not stabilize deep-seated landslides. Heavy trees. Added weight of trees can sometimes increase driving forces on weak soils. Seasonal effects. During droughts or after vegetation death, stabilizing effects reduce. Extreme rainfall. Vegetation alone cannot prevent failures caused by excessive water infiltration. 6. Engineering with vegetation. Eco-engineering. Engineers use vegetation as part of bioengineering techniques. Examples include vetiver grass planting on slopes. Willow cuttings along riverbanks. Combining geotextiles with vegetation for stronger protection. This approach is cost-effective, sustainable, and environmentally friendly. Vegetation plays a crucial role in slope stability by reinforcing soil, reducing water pressure, and preventing erosion. However, it should be combined with engineering measures in critical areas. By understanding the natural role of vegetation, engineers can design safer, greener, and more sustainable slopes. That's it for today's episode on the role of vegetation in slope stability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Blueprint to Reality for more deep dives into the world of civil and structural engineering. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.